How to repost on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can repost on Instagram. Now, reposting on Instagram is quite simple and easy. What you have to do is simply open up Instagram here. And now once you open up Instagram, what you want to do is navigate or head into the post that you want to repost. I'll just select this first post here. Now under every post, as you know, you'll get a little three icons there at the bottom left corner of the post. Now you can see the heart icon, the comment icon or the chat icon, and there you can see a little icon, the airplane icon there. Simply tap on the little that airplane icon that you can see there. Simply tap on it there, and what you want to do here is now tap on add to story. Now adding to story is the only way you can repost on Instagram. You can't share any post on your newsfeed, you can't share it anywhere else. You can share it on your chats or any other apps, but the only way you can repost it is you can share it to your story. You can add any post to your story. Simply tap on that airplane icon, and then here tap on add to story that you can see at the bottom left corner of your screen. Simply tap on add to story here, and this post will be quickly added to your story here, you can see. And what you want to do is simply tap on the next icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen, and here you can add it to your story by simply tapping on share option. So this is the only way you can repost on Instagram. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.